Good morning, students. I am Ramakant Sharma, Principal, Mahatma Gandhi Government School English Medium, Sri Madhupur. You are welcome to this video lesson. Today, I am going to present a reading comprehension before you. This video lesson is for all the students from class 3rd to 10 onwards. This comprehension is of 5 lines only. It is very beneficial for the beginners as well, and for those who are very advanced in their language. What you have to do is to simply read the passage along with the questions. Try to understand the comprehension passage at your own. Try to read the questions at your own and try to find out the answers. While answering the questions, you must be original. Please do not take any help from the original words of the comprehension passage. So first of all, I am going to read the passage for you, and then we will try to solve the comprehension passage. I will also provide you another comprehension passage so that you can solve these comprehension passages at your own. So I am going to read the question and the passage followingly. You can read the passage along with me. I would like to be a king. I would wear a robe with fur on it. I would wear a gold crown on my head. I would call the land I rule Funville. Every year we would have a parade. I would want all of you, all the people in Funville, to be happy. Questions. Question number 1. What would I like to be? Question number 2. What would be on my robe? Question number 3. What would I wear on my head? Question number 4. What would I call my land? Question number 5. What would happen every year in Funville? Now answer the question 1. What would I like to be? I like to be a king. Question number 2. What would be on my robe? There would be a fur on my robe. Question number 3. What would I wear on my head? I would wear a gold crown on my head. Question number 4. What would I call my land? My land would be Funville. What would happen every year in Funville? There would be a parrot in Funville every year. So, students, I have read the questions along with the answer. Now, I am going to assign a homework with a similar capacity. You just read the passage and answer at your own. I hope you will able to solve this comprehension question, this comprehension passage at your own. Thank you very much for your good participation. Keep working hard in this manner. Thank you.